Most people get this wrong. They try random fixes when Facebook Messenger wants switch accounts. But here's the proper way to solve it quickly. The issue usually happens when the app caches old login information or there's a conflict with Facebook's main app. The first step is to log out completely. On Messenger, go to your profile picture, scroll down, and tap Logout. Then, clear the app cache on your phone. On Android, go to Settings Apps Messenger Storage Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Messenger. Updated apps often have bugs that prevent account switching. After updating, open Messenger and log in with the account you want. If you need to switch again, repeat the process instead of staying logged into multiple accounts. One surprising tip: if you still have issues, log out of Facebook on your browser and Messenger, then restart your phone. This clears any lingering session conflicts and usually fixes the problem. In conclusion, the key to fixing Messenger account switching issues is logging out completely, clearing cache, updating the app, and restarting your device if necessary. Following these steps usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. Subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips and step-by-step solutions for common app problems.